Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I continue making cat pillowcase designed by Pony McTate, and one of my subscribers, Raga Malika, asked me to make a little tutorial how I change the colors. So this is a 3-colored cat. This is maybe the most challenging cat you make. I change the colors on the back side, and this is how it looks on the right side. I'm using hook number 6, 3.5 millimeters, few skeins, because this is scrap yarn project, and my ginger I've got a big ball, but all the rest of the colors are just tiny skeins, so I combine colors. I will start with chain of 4 with white, slip knot, chain of 4, then I will take my ginger yarn and continue chain of 23 with my ginger yarn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 22, 23. Then I'm going back with single crochets, first row, single crochet in each stitch. I'm going with ginger till this point, and then I'm changing the color. I want to make a little knot here too, that my chain doesn't go very loose. Just tie this ginger yarn around to white. So I'm going 2 more stitches with my ginger and changing the color. To change the color neatly, in order that this stitch is white, I need to change it on this point, to finish the single crochet with white, and continue with white. Okay, second row, chain 1, and start in the row with white. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 single crochet, and then I'm changing the color. I haven't finished my 5th single crochet. I will move my yarn white over here and pick up ginger to finish single crochet. This is my 5th single crochet, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chain 1, turn my work around, row 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, and then I will change the color to, in fact, I will go maybe 4 and change the color on my 4th single crochet. I will pick white and finish my 4th single crochet with white. Pull your ginger a little bit. So I've made 4 stitches. I finish the row with white. Next row, chain 1, and I will do the same amount of white stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is my last white, and I will change the color. Take my white on this side. This will be my back side and that will be my right side. Looks nice and neat. Don't lose this stitch. It's covered with the change of color a little bit, but on the other side you can see that this is the stitch. Don't miss it. Oops, sorry. On the right side you can see the stitches clearly. Even if it's on the back side, it is covered with the change of color. Finish my row with ginger. Chain 1, and I will reduce amount of ginger now, so I will only have 2 stitches. Finish my second stitch with white, so just pick up white by here and finish my row. When I go, you see, this is my yarn, but it will not matter because this is back side. You can make any pattern you like with this cat. Chain 1 next row. I can see that this is my last white, so I need to change the color. I will take my white on the back side, pick up my ginger. Oops, sorry, am I always losing you? Finish single crochet and going for the next stitch, ginger. You can see it better on the right side. It is only 2 stitches left. To make things easier, you can even count how many you've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is 2 stitches left. Chain 1, and how many I've done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can make the last row with ginger. Maybe just like that, and I will change the color. Pull my ginger a little bit and continue the row with white. I might finish ginger. I need to make 8 rows, flat 10 stitches. So I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one last row, all white, 10 stitches, and for the next row I need to start making decrease, and I'm changing this for black. To start the row I need to start with black, so I will make chain of 1 with black, pull the white and start making decrease. For that I will go first single crochet and second single crochet. I need to make together, and I will make 2 more of black like this. So 3 stitches I've got in total. Then I'm changing it to white. I forgot that to finish the single crochet, to have a neat change of color, I need to finish it with the white, with the color you are changing into. And I will leave 3 stitches at the back for my ginger, so it will be 1, 2, 3 and 1 for decrease. So I've got left 2 stitches for my white, and I will finish. Actually I should have 3 stitches, 3 white stitches. 3 white stitches I want to have, and ginger. Three white, and the rest of the row will go ginger. So I will go 1, and the last 2 will go as decrease like this. Change of 1, and I need to make another decrease. Like that. But to finish the stitches I need to swap the color, so I take ginger here and pick white. It is very fiddly job, maybe white. So I will go 1, 2 and 3 stitches with white, change color on the 3rd stitch for my black to finish single crochet. Again on this row I need to make another decrease at the end of the row, so I will make 1 black and decrease 1 and 2 last stitches will go together. This is how it looks good so far. So I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last row is, so chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the same stitch, the first stitch, single crochet, then 1 more stitch, and I'm changing the color for white, then I will make 3 single crochet, maybe I will even make, okay, never mind, let's go 3, finish my single crochet with ginger, and one more stitch, the last stitch of ginger, and second ear, chain of 4, and into the same stitch with the slip stitch, one more chain of 1 just to secure this, and there you are. This is the cat. I will do eyes and nose as I did for the other cats. And next tutorial I will make white and black cat, the top of the pillow. Thank you for watching.